How to create an Apple ID without payment. First, you need to install iTunes on your device. Open iTunes on Account tab. Press Sign in. Now choose Create New Apple ID. Now you should enter your email and password. Your password must be at least 8 characters, including number, uppercase letter, and lowercase letter. Note that you can't use your email name in your password and you can't use numbers for 3 times. For example, you can't use m@b111. Choose your country, continue, enter your name, last name, birth date, and the security questions. Now you should enter your billing address. You can choose the payment method none. If you create Apple ID on your iPhone or on the web, you have to insert your payment method. Fill your billing address. Note that if your country isn't listed in the Apple support countries, you can use this website for the billing address. Press continue. A verification code has been sent to your email. Insert the verification code and press verify. That's it. Thank you for watching our video.